Welcome, my friends. Do you want to learn English fast? This is Learn English Story Guy. Today, I share a story about Sam. He learned English in 30 days. It is a Level 1 story for beginners. Simple words, simple sentences, big lessons. You will improve your English and your dreams. Subscribe now. Let us begin. Your English journey starts today. Sam cannot speak English. He lives in a small village. He is shy. He wants to talk. But words are hard. People laugh sometimes. Sam dreams of speaking English. He wants a new life. He sees people on TV. They speak English well. Sam feels sad. He thinks, I cannot do it. Struggles build dreams. Your English struggle is practice. Say, I can learn 5 times. Write it down. Struggles make you strong. Your English story starts now. Be like Sam. Dream big. Vocabulary. Struggle means a hard task. Dream means a big goal. Say, struggles build dreams. Repeat after me. Sam is sad every day. He tries to speak English. He makes mistakes. School is hard. Friends speak fast. Sam does not understand. He feels alone. He wants to give up. His teacher sees him. The teacher says, you can learn. Sam hears a story. A man learned English fast. The man worked hard. Sam thinks, I can do it. He feels hope. Hope means wanting good things. Challenges build strength. Your English challenge is practice. Write 1 sentence today. Say it 5 times. Challenges make you brave. Your English story grows now. Be like Sam. Find hope. Vocabulary. Challenge means a hard task. Hope means wanting good things. Say, challenges build hope. Repeat after me. Sam makes a plan. He studies 30 minutes daily. He learns 5 words each day. He writes sentences. He speaks to a mirror. He says, I am strong. He listens to English songs. He sings along. He watches English videos. He repeats the words. He talks to a friend. The friend helps him. Sam works hard every day. He feels tired sometimes. But he does not stop. He writes in a journal. He tracks his progress. Progress means moving forward. Practice builds fluency. Your English practice is daily. Learn one word today. Write it down. Say it 5 times. Practice makes you fluent. Your English story shines now. Be like Sam. Keep going. Vocabulary. Practice means doing often. Progress means moving forward. Say, practice builds progress. Repeat after me. After 30 days, Sam speaks English. He talks to friends. They smile. They understand him. Sam feels happy. He is not shy anymore. He shares his story. People listen. Sam's dream comes true. He feels proud. Hard work pays off. Your English work pays off. Speak one sentence daily. Write one sentence daily. You can learn fast. Sam's lesson is clear. Practice every day. English is power. English is freedom. Subscribe to Learn English Story Guy. Share this story. Start your English journey today. Be like Sam. Be fluent. Your dreams are waiting. Go get them. Vocabulary. Payoff means to give results. Fluent means speaking well. Say, practice makes me fluent. Repeat after me.